Yeah, and my already prepared sew, size 40. Yeah, you can see that I've already done part of this shoe. So after fixing your shoe pad, that's it, you count the number of stitches you have round the sew. Yeah, I've done mine. I have 150 stitches round the sew. So after counting your stitch, you measure out about 2.5 inches from the toe side, about 2.5 inches. You can see it. Then after measuring out 2.5 inches, I trace the middle of the toe side. You can see it here. Then I counted out about 20 stitches here, 20 stitches here. That made it, that's 2.5. You can see it. Just on this C curve, 20 this side, 20 this side, a total of 40. So it's remaining 110 this side. So I crocheted on 110 stitches. Yeah, I made 3 rounds of single crochet. 3 rounds of single crochet. Then after that, I divide the stitches into two, 55 this side, 55 this side. So here is the center. So here I'll be working with 3 size 9 twine brown. So if you check this, I have the center here, and here is the center of this. So I will be starting with 5 this side, 5 this side. So I count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start from here. So you yarn over, make 1 chain on the next stitch, single crochet. So you single crochet on 5 here, 5 this side. Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will remove the stitch mark, then make 5 this side. 1, 2. Yeah, after working on the 10 stitches, then on the 11th stitch you slip knit. That's it. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the slip knit, then single crochet on the next stitch. Then once you crochet on the last stitch, then you crochet on the first and second stitch on this side stitch 1, the next stitch 2, then you turn. So once you turn, you are going to skip 1 stitch, the last stitch we made. Skip this stitch, and the next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet. So continue working with that till you crochet on this last stitch here. Yeah, once you crochet on the last stitch, then you crochet on the first stitch of this side stitch 1. There's the first stitch. So this is the end of 3rd row. So to start the 4th row, single crochet on the next stitch, the side stitch, then you turn. So skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. This is the 4th row. So you continue working with that. Once you crochet on this, the last stitch here, you single crochet on the first and second stitch on the side stitch, then you turn, skip 1 stitch, continue working. The same thing applicable here. So continue working with that till you work 30 rows of single crochet. You can see it, 30 rows of single crochet. This is what you have at the end. That's it. So to finish up this, the 30th round, on the last stitch, just yarn over don't single crochet it. Then on the side stitch, you can see it, then you single crochet it. Yeah, this is the end of the started round. So we are going to make this side design here. You can see it. So you single crochet to this point. Yeah, at the end you make one chain, then turn, then you single crochet to the end here. So we have 18 stitches here, the same thing here. So you single crochet on 18 stitches to this point. So at the end here, you can see you single crochet on the first and second stitch here. Yeah, on these stitches, these line stitches. One, the next stitch, single crochet, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches, crochet on the next stitch. Skipping the 2 stitches means that you are maintaining the same 18 stitches we have here. So you crochet to this point. Once you reach here, yeah, this is 6th row, you can see. So at the end of 6th row, we are going to make this short belt. You can see it, short belt for buckle. So you work 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13 chains. Here at the end, you turn and skip one. You skip this first stitch, then crochet on the next stitch. So once you skip the first stitch, it will now remain 12 stitches. So you single crochet here. Yeah, you can see it. So you single crochet on 2 stitches here. Next stitch, you single crochet. Then you turn and skip the 2 stitches. So continue single crocheting. So now we are going to crochet on the 18 stitches we have here. To make this, you can see. So single crochet on 18 stitches here. Yeah, so on the 18th stitch, you slip knit. So it's now remaining the 12 stitches we have on the belt. So you turn, skip the slip knit, single crochet on 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on the 5th stitch, you single crochet, then you turn, skip the slip knit, then the next stitch, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you single crochet on that slip knit we skipped. You can see it's very tight. Then now we are going to single crochet on these 12 stitches on the belt. Here at the end you make one chain, you can see. So you continue crochet to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So you single crochet on this slip knit we skipped before. It's very strong. Yeah. So you single crochet on 6 stitches. 6 stitches. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the 6th stitch you slip knit, then you turn, skip the slip knit, single crochet on the next. That's it. So you're going to single crochet on 11 stitches. This is the first stitch, 2, 3, 4 on 11th stitch. Yeah, then on the 11th stitch you slip knit again, then you turn, skip the slip knit, single crochet on the next. Then you single crochet to this point. Remember, you will single crochet on this slip knit we skipped before, then single crochet to this point. Yeah, that's it. So at the end here you single crochet 2 on these 2 stitches, 1 on each. 1, next stitch 2, then you skip the 2 stitches, then you single crochet to this point here. Yeah, you make 1 chain to end. Yeah, you can see it. So here we have 10 rows, we have 12 rows, here we have 14 rows. You can see it. So we are going to make this other side. Yeah, on this side we already have 3 rows, so we're going to work more 2 rows this side, making it 5 rows. Yeah, I have added 2 rows, you can see it. So it's now 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. So here we are going to add our belt. I've already made 30 chains. So you make 30 chains separate, then single crochet here to fix. You single crochet, then next stitch single crochet. So to this point. Yeah, and so at the end you single crochet on these 2 stitches and turn. So you're going to work exactly the same thing I did here. So you see, here we have 4 rows here. Here we have 10 rows, 12 rows, 14 rows, but on the main belt we have 4 rows. The same thing here, 4 rows on the belt, 14 here, then on the middle 12, then on the edge here 10. Exactly the same thing we did here. Yeah, you can see it. I see. Yeah, the next thing now is to fix your book. You can see it. So we fix it here. Yeah, you can see it.